Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by drawing the precise mask shape on a layer above the artwork you want clipped. Once done, select the mask shape and the content together, hold Shift and click each layer. You then apply the mask using right-click right arrow Use as Mask or the keyboard shortcut. This immediately clips the content to the shape. You should see the content confined to the shape bounds. Make sure the mask layer sits above content, because Figma uses top-to-bottom stacking to determine the mask. Once the mask is created, you refine it by double-clicking the mask group to enter isolate mode. You can edit the mask shape with the vector pen or apply Boolean operations to combine shapes for complex cutouts. Next, drag additional images or layers into the mask group to include them. Figma will clip all children to the mask. Make sure to adjust layer order inside the group and tweak fills or strokes, because strokes can expand bounds and change how content is revealed inside the mask. You finish by checking exports and making final adjustments. When satisfied, select the masked group and export it as PNG, SVG, or PDF. The mask remains applied in output. If you need to change the clip, right-click and choose Release Mask to edit individual elements, then reapply. If the mask appears invisible, make sure the mask shape has a visible fill or that its opacity isn't 0, and confirm the mask layer sits above content. A quick fix is toggling layer order or restoring fill.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.